Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can create personalized, custom, or unique jigsaw puzzles that you can be able to sell. As you can see here, I'm right on Etsy, and there are a lot of custom personalized jigsaw puzzles of people's families or pets that are popular and bestsellers. So you don't have to recreate the wheel. We know that this is selling. Not only you can create this as a physical product, but you can also sell these as digital downloads that people can go and get printed somewhere else. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you can go and create these yourselves. And let's get right into the video. So what you want to do is go over to this website. It's called jigsawmake.com. And this is a place where you can go ahead and make your free jigsaw puzzles. And I'm going to show you guys a second way if you follow along this video as well. But this is the first place that you can go to. When you scroll down here, you can see right here where you can upload your image. So if you are offering custom or personalized orders, you can upload the image that your customer provides you with, or you can select the gallery. Let's say that you want to offer different puzzles that are already designed. You can select the gallery and go through, search different photos. For example, if you wanted to use this cat, as you can see here, this is what the puzzle looks like. They have three different difficulties. You have easy, which is 12 pieces, 48, and 150 pieces. So you're just simply going to select the one that you want. And then down here we have the sizing. So the sizing that they offer, you can provide this in your Etsy listing or your website, is letter sizing 8 by 10, 10 by 10, or 11 by 14. And this will generate and show you what it looks like in the preview of your puzzle. And then you also have your different shapes that you can choose from as well. So you can offer different shapes if you would like as well, or you can just do the typical puzzle size. And the next thing you have is your style. So right here we have the thick white bold outline. You can select chunky. You can have subtle gray lines, classic. And so you can go through and select which one you prefer. And then you can go ahead and export this. So you can download this as a PDF. For example, if you're going to provide this as a digital download, a PNG. And then they also have the quality options as well. And you can also export this over here as a CVG. So this is perfect for people who use the circuit crafts or laser cutting machine. So if you are going to be offering this as physical product and you are going to be printing it yourself, they also have the option where you can download this. And as you can see here, you can provide this puzzle on cardstock, vinyl, or magnet sheets. Or if you have a laser cutting machine, you can use this for wooden, acrylic, or things of that nature. So you can download the correct filing that you'll need for that. You'll just export it as this SVG, and then they have these other different files that you can export as well. So that is simply how you would do it. You would, if you are, like I said, if you are going to offer personalized, you can upload the photo of the particular person that they provide, and then you can just provide them with the either the digital download, or if you are going to be able to print it yourself, you can do that as well. And so this website is really great because it has all of the systems for you to be able to create it very quickly. The next way that you can create jigsaw puzzles is going into Canva. As you can see right here, this is an example of what I was talking about for the family puzzle. So what you're going to need to do is, of course, you're going to want to make sure you have the right sizing. So depending on what sizing you offer, you want to make sure that you resize it or add the correct sizing. So for example, if I wanted to change this to a 10 by 10, I would simply put that in there, and we're just going to resize this here, and then I'm going to show you guys what app you can use in Canva to go ahead and create the jigsaw puzzles. So this is the 10 by 10 right here. And so that's just for that example. We're going to go over here to apps. You're going to go ahead and type in jigsaw puzzle right here, and it's going to be this one right here. Um, Go to apps, this one right here where it says jigsaw puzzle, and then you want to select based off of picture if that's what you're doing it on. And then if you don't already have your picture, you want to either upload it over here, or if you're getting a picture from your elements, let's see if you're doing a cat or whatever type of picture you're doing, you want to go ahead and select the photos. Let's say that if you want to have this, we're going to go ahead and hit set image as background to fill up the entire page. Then we're going to go back over to apps. So you want to make sure you already have it here. And then we're going to do it based off of this image. I'm going to go ahead and delete this here and reselect this image right here. As you can see here, this randomizes it. So how random they look on the puzzle. We have the tab sizes. So basically how the loops around it. So you can go ahead and increase that however you would like. Over here, jitters, we don't want that because it's going to make it look like super weird. So you want to just keep that like on the lower end. And then you have your line width. So this is for around the puzzle. So of course you want to make a determination on how light or thick that you want to do it. And then you can have the color. I would say white or gray, depending on what picture you have. You can do that as well. And then you're just going to go ahead and hit export as a, SVG, what we were talking about. And again, if you are printing this yourself with a circuit machine or a laser cutting machine, then you're just going to simply have your file right here that you can now download directly from Canva, and you can print and sell. Or you can sell this as a digital product. So I'm going to simply select this, and then you can go ahead and hit download selection. You can select um, right here SVG, and then you're going to hit download. So that's how you would get that file if you're going to be printing these on like material yourself. And then if not, you can do um, you can sell this as maybe to other people who are going to create these designs, or you can sell them as a PDF. So it just all depends on what you're using these puzzles for. And so, yeah, this is how two ways that you can make jigsaw puzzles using any image or design, using Canva, or going back here to the jigsawmake.com. And if you want to see what it looks like when you add your own image here, I'll show you that really quick. So when you upload your custom image here, just gonna find a quick photo that I have here. Let's see. So I want to do a person. As you can see, this is what it looks like. We have a person here. You have your easy, normal, and you have your hard, of course. So this is what it would look like. And you can make the determination of how you want to change it, the sizing, and all of that nature. So yeah, this is how you can be able to create your jigsaw puzzles. You also can go ahead and play these online with this particular website. So if that's something that you want to do as well, you can have and do, maybe for personal use or so forth. This website is also great because, as you can see here, they have word search, crossword, Sudoku, bingo, and so forth. So you can go ahead and check this website out for other different puzzles or different things. And so, if I appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells. It really helps out my channel, to let YouTube know to push it out to more people, and comment what type of content I should create next. If you would like to check out any of my templates or my course that I have, you can go ahead and check that out in the description. I currently have a course available for people who are interested in learning how to make custom bingo cards for any theme, whether it's birthday parties, baby showers, and therefore, if you want to learn how to be able to create bingo cards quickly, um, with any number of cards, then you can go ahead and check that out as well. I appreciate you for watching. If you watched to the end, I really appreciate you. And go ahead and share this video as well. Have a great day. Bye bye. You can check out my website. Like I said, the link will be in the description and in the comment section. So right now I have a 50% off sale. I have my coloring page prompt generator. This will allow you to create custom prompts for any season, for any holiday of coloring pages that you can go ahead and create, have full creative control over, and create unique designs. You can use these prompts in Canva AI, Midjourney, ChatGPT, whatever image AI image generator that you have. I also have my baby shower invitation templates that you have full reseller rights. You can go ahead and edit these or sell them as is. And then I have my learn to create and design create, design, and sell custom bingo cards. So if you want to learn how to create any bingo cards for any occasion, whether it's baby shower, birthday party, anniversary, and sell those on Etsy or your website, you can go ahead and check this out as well. My full course, or you can also grab my free guide on 10 ways to make money with Canva today. So I really appreciate you for watching, and have a great day.